Hi, in front of me is Meizu M6T, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, find App Themes and click on it. Then pick the theme that you like the best. I will go with that one. And choose Download. After that, click Apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed. But if you want to go back into the system theme, you can always go into the same app. Click at the top right corner on this icon over here, choose Themes, and go with Classic. All you need to do from here is click Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!